In this video, we are going to show you how to get free credits on Higgsfield or Higgsfield AI. And as you can see, we are in their website at higgsfield.ai. And you're going to see a lot of really good image generations, a lot of really good tools by Higgsfield. And you only need to do one thing, only one thing. That is to go to your Twitter profile. Go to Twitter, search for Higgsfield AI or at Higgsfield_AI. This is their tag, right? And if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of really cool image generations, really high quality, and you're going to see tweets like this. So what this pretty much says is if you retweet and reply to these tweets, you get 300 credits in DMs. So sometimes you get 300, others you get 220, depends, but you still get free credits so you can try out their product, right? So again, retweet and reply. So all you need to do is retweet, right? So retweet and then just post something really cool. There you go. When you do that, they're going to reply to you. And I'm going to show you a screenshot of one of our friends who have done this. And as you can see here, they actually reply in a timely manner and they get free credits so they could try out Higgsfield AI's AI tools and their generation options. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.